Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas wreath. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy our fun Christmas video for today. Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a wreath. Now to start off with our wreath, we're going to begin with a bow. So I'm going to begin right up here, and we just want to make a nice circular shape like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up, down, and it's going to come back up for one side of the bow. And we want to do the same thing on the other side. So go up, down, and then come back up like this. Then I like to add one or two little lines on each side. Now starting here, you want to draw a line that goes out on each side. Then we're going to go in, up, in and out, or up and down, whatever you want to call it. And then bring it right up to here for some ribbon on the bow. Now, starting here, I'm going to make like a couple little bumps like this. And I'm going to go ahead and make some bump shapes like this all the way around in kind of like a circular shape. You can see it's kind of pointy looking right now. Then I'm going to add some more little bumps up here. And I'm going to do the same thing around here. I'm trying to keep it in that circular pattern. I'm trying to make it nice and big. Now, right down here, I want to add a little face onto our wreath. So I'm going to make a circle right here and a circle right here. Then I'm going to add two little black dots inside of here. Make a little line across with a big smiley face. Then I'll add a little curved line here for a tongue, and then I'll just color this in. Next, I want to add some ribbon along here. So to do this, it's really easy. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that curves to here. Then I'll just draw another one that curves right to here. I'll start here and I'll draw some that curves here and some that goes down here. And then I'll do the same thing up here. And I might add some right along here. And I think I'll put some over here too, right by the eye. Then I'm going to go and add some little circles onto here for some details, for some like little ornament shapes. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon wreath. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.